Hey, it's Kilobyte here, and in this video I'm going to be replacing my door bushings. So I'm going to take the stock one to this. Now, one tip with these, go ahead and test fit them into the slot right here. That's where they will go when the door is closed. Go ahead and test fit, make sure yours are going to fit. Mine fit, and they're snug in there, so they should do their job. So the stock one is quite soft. Now this part, this is so the door will close easily. This doesn't actually add any chassis stiffness. It's this direction, pushing down here and up here, that does the chassis stiffening. And you can see the stock ones, they actually don't give as much as some people think or want, say. However, they do have some give. Whereas this basically has next to none. And it will stiffen up that chassis. So that is a good thing. Now your door may or may not close a little harder. However, if you align it right, and I'll show you how to do that, it should close without issues. Now, if you're stiffening up this end of the door, you will be putting a little more pressure on your hinges, but they should be fine unless you're, jumping rivers or something like, General Lee. So don't do that in your Miata. All right, so step one. These are gonna be in here really tight, at least mine were. 10 mil socket, and you'll want to break those loose. Just pull them out. You don't have to mark anything. Phillips head screwdriver can also work once you break them loose. All right, so I suggest to start the first bolt in. Oh, and clean under here. Start that first bolt. And get the second one in. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna snug these up just enough where there's resistance, but it still moves. And you're gonna center it, all right? Now, whew, it's hot. We're gonna close the door. Notice how easy it closes. That should position or align this right where we want it. So I'm gonna snug it up some more. Okay, we're gonna do it again. See how easy that is? So we know it's all lined up. And just using the screwdriver, a good Phillips head screwdriver. There. Now I don't want to over tighten this because this doesn't have a metal plate on the bottom. So you don't want to do damage to it. But you can tighten it pretty good. If you're using a screwdriver, you can tighten that pretty good. Now we're going to close it again. And we're done. Now I just got to go on a road test and see how they do. All right, just got back from the test drive. I got to tell you, it made a big difference. I knew it'd make a difference, but it made a big difference. And it surprised me that, so I would hear creaks and stuff in my car when I'd go over uneven blacktop or a bridge joint or something, or even just pulling into my garage. There's about that big of a lip, and you'd hear creaking. It is almost completely gone now. I did not expect that. So yeah, they do work. I highly recommend it. Links in the description. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.